Okay, what's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Bunny Blade, aka Budget Dad. But you already know this if you watch my videos. Alright, this is the hookup right here. I got the bobbin up top, I got the hook, and I have my nut stack right here at the bottom, the weight. So we down here at this little river, got a little current. Whatever. Anything in here, man. I don't even know if anything in here. But catfish, you gotta have your hook low. Yeah, well actually I have my hook like about half a foot up. So I don't think catfish eat up there. Catfish eat at the bottom. Yeah, so if you want to catch catfish, you have to put your hook at them. Yeah, I was hoping I catch something. If it's a catfish, I'll throw them back. You know what I just realized? I shouldn't have put that bitch shit. I gotta pull this back in. No, I shouldn't have put that big ass bobbin on it. That's why my line drifting. I better reel it up real quick before I lose all of that. Come on. Yeah, I need a little small bobbin. I don't need this big ass bobbin. Yeah, I'm gonna use a smaller floater. I think this is good enough. Yeah, you notice how the current is taking your line away? Because you got that big floater on it. Yeah, I've got this little one. I'm going to see how this works out. If this don't work, I'm just going to take it off completely. And just let my nuts just hang. I'm going to let these nuts hang. I can't even see my line. I think I'm anchored. Yep, the little one is good enough. See, you see I'm anchored right there. I'm not moving. So actually what I need to do is throw that way, because it's gonna drift a little bit before it anchors. Yep. So that's what we got going on. Alright, one more cast and I'm supposed to got it. Then just let us sit there and see if anything happens. gonna be the cast. This is gonna be it, YouTubers. I'm gonna let it sit here till you come out, but then I'll have to back it up because you're gonna crisscross me. I don't even think I need that floater. But it's the current, man. The river is just. I want my line to sit right there. Oh, you know what? You know, now that you mention it. Tell me if you feel an anchor. You anchor, or is it moving? You can feel it. You can feel if your line drifting or if it's anchor. You're not anchor? Yeah. So I need to take that. I'm gonna take mine off. You know what? Yeah, take this off completely. Okay. So I took the floater off because the current just keeps dragging my line. So I'm just gonna let my nuts hang out. Yeah. That's how I'm feeling. Oh, I better put this in. Hello. Hey, I took mine off. I took the floater off. That floater ain't helping. It's hurting. It's helping the current take your stuff away. Come on. You're supposed to be able to feel your when you anchor. I know mine's at anchored and but it took a while before it anchored. It drifted down that way before it anchored. So where your line at so I don't click? Okay, yeah. All right, let me show you how it's done. Get your camera ready, you know. Okay, this is it. You see that? Mine's still drifting, trying to feel an anchor. I'm anchored over here. I'm trying to anchor him over here before it drifts all the way down. When I do like this, yeah, you gotta like throw it over there, and then it'll drift and come down that way. Well, it's not bad. You see where mine's anchor at? Right there. You see what I'm saying? See the line? Yeah. That's good. Yeah, when you throw it, just throw it that way. Do a side throw and throw it that way, and then by the time it anchor, it should anchor like somewhere right there. You see right there underneath the water? I bet that's where they at. That's where I throw it, but mine just drift down. You're supposed to go that way. Yeah, because you don't want to go too high, because if you go too high, you already know what's up with that. What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy Bunny Blade, aka Budget Dad. But if you watch my early videos, you already knew this. Yeah, I'm just telling you, thanks for watching, stopping by, watching my videos. And hey, if you like anything, give me some comment. Let me know what you want to hear. And hit that subscribe button. That subscribe button is right there. Hit that subscribe button right there. All right, and holla at you. Peace out.